Just in time for the 4th of July, Cars.com's American-Made Index highlights the most American cars built and bought in the United States. This year, the index has found the most American car for 2018 is the Jeep Cherokee, an SUV built in Belvidere, Illinois with high domestic content and U.S. sourcing for all of its available engines and transmissions. The Cherokee was last year's #2 car, but it moved up to #1 as the prior highest ranking model, the Jeep Wrangler, was redesigned with lower index scores. Cars.com redesigned the index last year to really focus in on the impact of a shopper choosing one model versus another. Factors include where final assembly occurs, the domestic parts content expressed as a percentage of U.S. and Canadian parts by the American Automobile Labeling Act, as well as where the available engines and transmissions come from, and finally how many U.S. factory workers each automaker employs. Now in the second year of its redesigned methodology, the index continues to show that it's no easy task to gauge how American a car is because cars are very complex and the badge on the hood doesn't always tell the whole story. Jeep leads off the top 10 for 2018, but 4 models come from Honda, including the automaker's Acura luxury division. So do 3 from Ford and 2 from GM. See the full list and plenty more details on Cars.com.